Former President Donald Trump is set to go on trial in New York City in a case charging him in connection with hush money payments made during the 2016 presidential campaign. That means we're going to be seeing him day in and day out inside a Manhattan courtroom where he's a criminal defendant charged with 34 felony counts. At nighttime, however, we expect to see him campaigning as the presumptive Republican presidential nominee in the 2024 race.
Okay, thank you. And I don't know how you can have a trial that's going on right in the middle of an election. Not fair. Not fair.
This is the first criminal trial of a former American president, so it's of course a historic moment, but it's worth noting that this is not the first time that Donald Trump has been in court or has been forced to juggle competing roles of a defendant and a presidential candidate. We've seen that repeatedly now in New York, where he's been in court in connection with various civil proceedings, and we can anticipate a familiar dynamic where he uses his legal troubles to bolster his own presidential candidacy. He's going to be trying to rally his base. He's going to be trying to paint this case and others as examples of what he says is political persecution. And that dynamic now is something that we've come to expect from Donald Trump. We can definitely expect that to continue in the coming weeks. This hush money case is one of 4 criminal prosecutions that Donald Trump is facing. It is possible, though, that it's the only one that reaches trial before the November presidential election. Special counsel Jack Smith has charged Trump in Florida with illegally hoarding classified documents and in Washington with plotting to overturn the 2020 presidential election. And then in Atlanta, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has a pending case against Trump, accusing him of trying to subvert the Georgia election in 2020.
In conclusion, I would like to thank the dedicated public servants of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, with whom my office is conducting this investigation, and who work tirelessly every day upholding the rule of law in our country.
Morning. I am Fani Willis. I am the elected district attorney here in Fulton County. I will not go over the ground that the judge did. We are very, very thankful that you are here today. We're going to try to make it as short of a day as possible.